invest in students like you all day long.
Yes, sir.
Jobs of the future.
Sure.
Of course. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Running on diesel, dog. Playing with my lady, this lethal, dog. Don Corleone. Trust me.
So Herbie and I were invited. He likes interrupting. So Herbie and I were invited to an engineering gala in downtown Toronto at the Four Seasons Hotel. This is basically an event where engineers, founders, and investors get together to talk about leading technologies and new inventions of the future. Somehow, this guy got invited. So the mission is simple. So we also need to get ready for anything that could go wrong. That means packing spare tools, spare parts, spare batteries. So tonight, doesn't stop interrupting. So that means tonight we prep and tomorrow we bring him to the gala. Also, it's important to note that Herbie Part 3 and Part 4 will be coming out soon in the next few weeks. I'm just working on editing those videos. Everything's filmed and done. I'm still dedicated to showing you guys the process of how I painted him, assembled him, and coded all of his components together. I'm really excited to show you guys that, and I think you'll love it. Just make sure to stay subscribed, have notifications on, so you'll get notified once those videos drop. All right, so it's the night before the event, and I'm just making sure I have everything packed. This is the battery for Herbie, his legs, toolbox I'm gonna bring. As you can see, just a few tools, a few extra screws. And at the bottom, we have all the spare batteries, chargers. This is probably a bit of overkill, but, you know, I'd rather be over-prepared than under-prepared, just in case anything goes wrong. Okay, going to the event. We're on the way. We got Herbie. Hopefully we don't crash. It's roughly 45 minutes before it starts. We got Herbie over there just chilling. He's gonna be greeting people and saying hello. And then over there you can see behind all those people is a humanoid robot. It's good. Thank you.
I didn't know anyone, but I thought I'd come to this.
This is Herbie.
Herbie.
Nice to meet you. I'm Christian.
Nice to see you, Christian.
What's
I'm
your name?
Sal.
Sal.
Pleasure.
You want to give him a high five?
Yeah, sure.
Go. Very
Tell me
good.
about Herbie.
So, he's a fully autonomous robot. He can organize tools, hand me screwdrivers, organize nuts and bolts. He's a projector, so any image you want, any movie you want, he projects. He also has a fire extinguisher at the bottom. He can put out fires. Yes, sir. All of this is featured on my YouTube channel. It's good, you gave it to him, yeah.
It was like a...
No.
How'd you guys build this?
So I built him. He's
Arduino?
Arduino, with Arduino?
Yeah?
Yeah, Arduino and ESP32.
Okay.
So, designed and built by me.
Wow.
I have a lab at home, so he's an assistant for that lab.
Okay. Is it like C++ programming?
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
You're an engineer?
Yeah, software.
Nice. I'm mechanical.
Mechanical,
Yeah.
nice.
It's designed to help me build things. So if I say, Herbie, get me the screwdriver, he'll get me the screwdriver.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's like voice recognition.
Oh yeah, this is a voice recognition module.
You're going to give Elon a run for his money.
Elon Musk? I mean, you never know. So
Congrats, that's amazing.
thank you very much, yeah.
Did you develop the IP here in Canada?
Oh yeah, everything. Yeah. He's fully autonomous, but for the event, they made me make him remote control.
Oh, yeah, so it's not going around doing...
Yeah, so I have to use this thing, but
Okay. But you could, like, is there just like a specific list of commands that you have to give, or like anything? It'll learn...
no, right now it's specific.
Specific, okay.
But he will do it.
That's great.
Yeah,
Where in Canada?
Toronto.
Amazing.
I live a 15-minute drive from here. Yeah, no, I love it. This is my passion. I'm a first-year engineering student,
Where are you studying?
Centennial College.
Amazing.
Yeah, so
Will this do anything with me today?
you want to give him a high five?
Yeah. IP that you're building and protecting.
Yes, sir.
It's nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
Look forward to keeping
Thank you
in
so much.
touch.
Of course, yeah.
What's your name?
Christian Peshikin.
That's good.
Yeah.
I'm Sal Urbani.
Thank you so much. It was very nice meeting you. Of course. Thank you so much. Of course. Thank you. Hello. You want to give him a high five?
Very nice.
Very
I want
nice.
to play with him.
You want to play with him? That's a good idea.
What's his name?
Herbie.
Herbie.
Yep.
Have fun.
Hello. This is Herbie. Herbie. You want me to take it of you too? Yeah, of course.
That's where you're
Engineering.
going to be wealthy.
Yes. Yes, sir.
I love that.
This is my passion.
Is that beautiful?
I love it.
that.
He's fully autonomous.
I'd invest in students like you all day long.
Yes, sir.
It's jobs of the future.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I love this.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you very
Can I
much.
get a picture here?
Of course. Yeah. It was very nice meeting you.
Very good.
The event is finished. We're leaving now. Herbie did a very good job. He met a lot of people. People really loved him. I was worried at points, like his wheels might fall off or some of his joints might break or the servos might overheat, but overall, it was a success. So thank you guys for watching. Keep building. Subscribe for more engineering content.